handbrake, it's a Honda. We don't have handbrakes.
They're all like that.
They're all horrendous. So here we are in the wonderful town of Is it a town, Kirkbride, or a village? It's a village. Village, yeah, in the wonderful village of Kirkbride. And we're going to investigate and see how this street map from from December, it was bloody December, wasn't it? From December, is doing on the dyno, as you can see.
Well, Saturday.
It wasn't even a Saturday, I think it was like a Tuesday night or something at 3 in the morning. But so we're going to see how it gets on. Yeah, so let's see what the street map does then. What are you saying?
I'm scared. But yeah, we'll see.
Thing is, we had a go, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
It's all about having a go. All about having a go. So we're just going to see what it makes, and then after that we'll make some adjustments and see how far we get with it. But yeah, so it is a completely standard engine apart from the skunk 2 inlet and the turbo. There's no changes at all anywhere else. So I think it's 95,000 miles it's done. So we've got skunk 2 inlet, turbo and exhaust. That's pretty much it, nothing else. No internal work at all. We're still on the standard clutch, which is possibly something that might cause a bit of dramas, but we'll just have to see how that lasts. If it doesn't last, I mean, I'm going to change it anyway, but we just thought we'd see what we can do, just for something to do more than anything. So yeah, let's do a run or two, see where we get to.
Plug.
So, yeah, what did we have in before? We had 7s in before.
Set to 1.1 gap.
Yeah, so we've set the
0.6.
0.6, virtually half, because you nearly had the same feeler gauge in twice, so
should make a big difference.
Hopefully make a bit of a difference. The plugs themselves that came out were actually looking fine. They look good, so the engine was running fine.
Nice and clean.
So, yeah, spot on. They're not that old, but still. Right, so we're back from the dyno. Our street map that we done back 3 or 4 months ago, whatever it is, that made just over 300 horsepower. I think it was 303 that we got on the first run, which, to be honest, isn't that bad. It'll do. And then towards the end of the day, we kind of played around a bit with the timing, played around with the cam time, ignition time, and the fueling, and kind of knocked the boost up a tiny little bit. So we ended up with about 395 horsepower on a sort of lowish boost map, because it's still got the standard clutch in it. We didn't really want to push it too far because we needed to drive it home. So that's as far as we've got for now. It runs okay, runs great. As you see, we had to gap the plugs and change them up, so that's now a lot better than it was. But we've also noticed that where the downpipe joins on the centre section, I knew about this anyway, but totally forgot about it, just slipped my mind. It actually tapers down from like 3 inch down to, I don't know if it's 55mm or 63mm, but it tapers right the way down just on that flange where the 2 flanges are. So we're going to have to put a 3 inch bit of pipe in there, so that's something that we're going to have to change and then come back to. But for now, 395ish horsepower is pretty good. We did about 4 runs, sort of around the 390 to 395, so that'll do. It's not a much boost. It'll run probably a little bit more than this once we put the clutch and the diff in, but for now that's us done. Next part, I guess, it'll probably be putting a diff in and putting a clutch in, and then going back for another dyno run, getting a bit more boost fired into it. It runs really well, drives pretty good. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the way that's turned out. I kind of hoped for about 400 horsepower, and I've kind of got about 400 horsepower. I'm still on relatively lowish boost, so I'd say that's quite successful really. Not bad for a driveway built car. So, happy times. I don't know what part of the video this is. This could be like part 13 or something stupid, I don't know. But anyway, so the next one will be probably gearbox and diff. So, thanks for watching this turbo conversion videos. Hope you've enjoyed them so far, and there'll be a few more to come.